All right, we're going to do Vim APM. Now, here's the deal. You don't have to know anything that has happened up until this point to get what we are about to do, so I hope that you are ready. So here's something that's very, very important. What we are trying to solve is that given a string of characters coming in, how do I determine the various Vim motions you are executing? Because we do not get a callback from Vim to know that you've executed a motion. I only know if text has changed, and I know the keys that you're pressing and the mode that you're in. So that means I have to create like a tree of the possibilities. Now remember, I can do something like this. I can do something like 2D 2D, which would delete 4 lines. I'm gonna play twice, deleting 2 lines. I can do 8D 2D. That's gonna play 8 times, deleting 2 lines. Right? I can do something like 8 DI squirrely brace. That means delete inside of the first 8 squirrely braces as going up. Right? So there's a lot of different ways in which you can actually create these motions. So really it's going to look something like this. Number, some sort of letter, potentially a number again, and then potentially a letter, or it's going to be other set of things, right? It's also going to be something that looks like that's going to look something like, instead of that, it's going to be more like, like I, A, and then it's going to be a bunch of like B, P, squirrely, that, right? That. It's going to be all the different ones there. S for sentence. There's like a whole bunch of different ones inside of here. All right, so you just build this. There's like this crazy map we have to build that we have to be able to understand what's happening. And so I came up with what I thought was a pretty damn good idea, is that I have like a stateless way to tell how you're doing. We have something that just checks to see, are you a number? If you're a number, we can consume you, but we're not done because we don't know how many numbers are coming in a row. If you're not a number, we're done and we didn't consume that token, right? That makes sense. If it's a key, simply, are you specifically that key? And then lastly, it's an OR motion. Given all of a bunch of these selectors all passed in, do any of them match the current key? And if they do, hand it back. Rewrite this as a regex so it's easier to read. Dude, the regex is crazy, and it depends on your mode and everything. It would just be awful. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to do anything. Okay. Second off. Licensing.org. Again, I am not an authorized regex. I don't hold a regex license, so I cannot use a regex. And second off, they've been claiming that I'm under some sort of scrutiny. Okay, and thirdly, currently writing up TJ for his confessed unauthorized use of a regular expression because it was easy. Okay, multiple people are getting in trouble. I'm not getting in trouble. I'm not a part of this, okay? I'm going to be very, very, very careful here. I'm also going to let Guy know that his copyright's off. Maybe I could write him like a quick regex so he could just check his website every now and then to see is it actually off or on. This is a good call. We could actually do that pretty quickly. You know what I mean? We could do that pretty quickly. You know what I mean? Oh shit, now I really want to do that. Because, we could use curl. You know what I mean? You could definitely come over here and just curl that down. And then you could also go in here and you could grep Guy Sereno. Yes. And so we definitely have that line. And then we could definitely match. 4 digits. We could definitely capture group that. We could definitely capture group a nice, what's it called? It's gonna have /D. We're gonna have a /D/D/D dash. Actually, we could even match 2015. 2015 to give him the old One Eye Fighting Kirby /D/D/D. One Eye Fighting Kirby right there. Dot star Guy Sereno, and we could replace that, of course, with a /1. Do that, and there. Uh-oh. Wait, isn't that how you do that? Am I doing it wrong? Why? What am I missing on the match? What am I missing? Dude, I never know how to use these /Ds. I never know how to use the /Ds, people. I never know how to use the /Ds. Okay, see, there we go. We caught it, sort of. Look at that. We caught it, sort of. Dude, D is equivalent to 8, but how do you know? So how do I do a /D? See, it doesn't capture. What? I know I could do this in Vim, and see if I do that, and the exact same one I had as .star 2015. Oh, yeah, I do dash, and then I had capture group D / that. See, I captured it .star Guy Serino, and so I guess I could just to make sure I capture the right group, right? I guess I could drop that and just do .star and slash with /1. See, that should work. Here, look at this. See, I'm gonna copy all of that. Copied it all. Copied it all. There we go. Look at that beauty. /D, do all of that. And oh, dang it, I copied and pasted that wrong. Do that. Why come no words? Why come no words? Why come no words? I'm terrible at this. I'm terrible at it. Tomac, try 0 through 9. I could try 0 through 9. What is that? It's 0 through 9, 4. Is that correct? And I have a proper When I Fight in Kirby here too. Ooh, this one doesn't find anything. That doesn't work in Vim. So whatever I've done here is incorrect. Okay, so it's saying that I need to do a / right here. I need an E for extend. No, because I'm using sed. I'm just grabbing out the line that says Guy Carino. Here. Okay, don't be annoying. I'm just grabbing out the line that says Guy Serino and then setting across it. Right? Do 4 of them. I don't want to do 4 of them. Here, let's just try this. See, that doesn't even work. Here, is it $? Oh, dude, how am I so bad at sed? Is it $, right? $, does the previous one, right? Oh, I'm not. There we go. Hello. Okay, so we did get that. Okay. Calm down. We got that. We got the hello. Okay, so let's go. When I Fight Kirby, 0 through 9. When I Fight Kirby. And then single capture group. Okay, we're getting closer. We're not getting closer. We're not getting closer. We didn't get closer. Do I have to do one of those? Nope, didn't match it at all. See, like, I'm not getting... See, I get so close, but I'm not quite there. You know what I mean? All right, maybe we did get this. Okay, hold on. Maybe we did get this. Okay, maybe we're getting this. Maybe I'm just stupid. Okay, and how do I update? How do I know what the current year is? See that? Copilot solves it for you. Okay. Cheat! This man's a cheater! We'll do this. Okay, now we're going to paste it in here. Okay, so now... Can I do this? Can I date that one in there? Can you put a date in there? Can you not put a date in there? Can you put a variable in here? Why am I having so many pipe issues? Uh-oh, wait. Where? Oh, I have a pipe at the end. You're right. I have a pipe. Can I? Okay. We got this. Now, how can I do a not equals? Right? Like, because we're so close. We're so close. How do I execute that? I know, but I need to be able to execute. I need to be able to, like, execute the thing. What if I did this? I think this works. Oh, let's see what that is. Okay. Okay, we got that. And what happened if I paste that into eval? Does eval not work? Do I have to go xargs, No. No. Thank you. Hold on, Fiery Corgi. This is why Prime fires devs. This is why Prime fires devs right here. Okay, we can pass silent to curl. You're missing the important part, people. That prints out on number 2. Okay? We just need to be able to take this and execute it. Okay? I don't know how to execute what I've just produced. Looks dangerous. No, no, because I want to execute what's in there. All right, hold on. I think you're onto something. Can I do a not equals? Can I do a if? Okay, I don't even understand that one. Do we not have, is that not allowed? Okay, I thought we had something there. Corgi, how you doing, buddy? Thank you, Corgi, for the 10 gifted subs. We're trying to make something so good. See, source it? See, I'm no good at this. We're so close. Because, like, I can get to this point. I just don't know how to make it happen. You can also use BC. Yeah, we can use BC. Oh, my goodness. Thank you, Corgi, for the back-to-back 10. So that was what I was originally going to do, but then I didn't know what to do with BC after that. Right? What do we do when we have -1? What do we do now? Thank you, Corgi. Corgi's on fire! Holy shit. How do we exit with that? That's the problem. You have it in a variable. You just need to echo it. No, I need to exit. I need to exit so it dies. It dies with the negative. Happy birthday, Prime. Happy birthday for you. It's exec? What do you mean? How do I exec that? Sorry, I don't know how to do. I don't know how to do. It's Prime's birthday. It's not Prime's birthday. Okay. Thank you. Send it to Bash as an echo. See, this is where I don't know how to do that. Exec means run and exit. Okay, so then it would run it. Exec. See, I don't know what that means. That still failed, right? Yeah, see, I'm getting a failure either way. So that's not impressive. Wait, what is that actually is the output? The output is -1. Wait, did Guy just fix it? You son of a bitch, Guy. You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch, Guy. You son of a bitch. I just got trolled. I just got trolled in the middle of this. Damn it. I'm the one that got trolled. I'm the one that got trolled. All right, we're going back to Vim APM. We're going back. We're going back, people. All right. All right, so we have one more thing I have to make. And the reason we have to make one more thing, make any key, right? I'll explain why I'm going to make this, which actually makes a lot of sense. Any key, all it does is it'll just do this. Like, long as you just pass in any key and it passes once. Why do I have to do that? Because if you execute the motion DF any key, this is a motion, right? So if I go DF capital M, it deletes up into and including the M. Same thing with T, right? So I need one any key, and that's a good any key. So there we go. We now have it so that it works. It will always just pass once and then pass you the next thing. All right, so now that we know this, there's no coming back from that. I know, dude. This has blue-balled me so bad. I'm so blue-balled right now. Don't worry, we got to go on. Let's see. What is a better way to learn how to code? Code nonstop. That's the, like, honestly, you just had to build stuff. Ego bruised. My ego's severely bruised right now. My ego is just destroyed. Does this handle custom motions? No, it does not handle custom motions. We could add people to add their own custom motions. But we're not gonna. It's hard because it can't be. You can't have ambiguous motions, right? And so that causes real big problems. Did I hear that there was an unlicensed use of regular expressions going on right now? Funny you should say that, Guy, but I think maybe you need to review. You need to review yours because right here, almost anything outside of command line or ad hoc query foo. And as you can tell, everything I did was within the command line. It was ad hoc. It was query foo. So next time you come at me with your complete bullshit, why don't you first know your own rules, okay, Guy? Recovered. I have recovered from the humiliation that was what just happened. Dude, the cope. Nice try, Guy. Guy, nice try. Thank you, Air Name. You're a champ. You're a champ, Guy. You're a champ. By the way, I love the fact that you updated this live, Guy. I mean, the problem is I just didn't know how to. So I got to this point. I just didn't know how to, like, make it so it would exit with that code. Whatever that code was, I don't know how to make it exit. Like, I don't know. Can you exit with xargs? See, it fails. That failed and it shouldn't failed. I just don't understand why. Emoji based regex language incoming. Oh my goodness! I didn't even have time to log into the stream. Yeah, exit is the shell internal. Yeah. Anyways. Oh, exit BC. Can you do that? Get fucked. Hey, that passed. Hey, that passed. That passed too. Get wrecked. That passed too. Did we just alt that for me? Yeah, you pretty much did. All right, anyways. All right, so let's go back to this. So we have any key. So I already explained why we did any key. So now we have all of these things together. We can build the motion tree now, okay? And so motion tree.lua, right? Local motions equals require refactoring. Vim APM motion dot motions, yeah. Okay, so now that we have all the motions, we need to build the tree. So the simplest thing we can do is we can go like this, J equals motions make key J, right? That's like an ending key. Can we all agree that's an ending key? Yeah. 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 Yeah, because like, now we can go like this. Local numJ would be motions make number with J. So now I can match any number J. That's pretty cool. People are saying, well, what about if you use Colmac? If you use Colmac, you're stupid for remapping everything. Okay? I'm sorry that you decided to use a stupid layout, and then on top of using a stupid layout, you decide to remap everything so that it has QWERTY remaps, okay? It's not my fault that you live a dumb life. Okay? You live a dumb life. Sorry. Do you use Dvorak? I do use Dvorak, but I didn't remap anything, okay? When I press J and K, I'm pressing J and K, and they move up and down, okay? Okay, I'm a normal human being that does normal human things, okay? I don't remap my keyboard. See, J and K, they move up and down. Do you see that? All right, so there we go. So we have number J. Awesome. We can also make the exact same thing. I should probably turn this into a function. Function, number letter. Letter, let's see, there we go. Oh, wrong language. Wrong language. Let's see, end. Yep, there we go. Return, let's go like this. Motions make or no. That's wrong. It's like you guys don't even know me. It's like you guys don't even know me. There we go. That looks good. So now I should be able to go like this. Local numj equals number letter J. We can do the exact same thing with J and K. So there we go. So now we have J and K. Okay, so that means we can also go like this. Local delete equals motions make key D. All right, now here comes the cool part. Are you ready for this one? Motions or make or with num J and K. See what we've just done there? Do you see what we've just done there? You don't see what we just did there. We just built a tree, people. We've just built a tree backwards. Sorry, that's my work stuff. I was doing something. So what I did is I have the following. Oopsies, that is not in the center. We have numbers. So this will match 0 or more numbers. Then we have J, right? Which means I have an arrow from this to this. Here, hold on. This thing is not centered. Is that more centered? It's close enough. All right, whatever. I can't get bogged down on the details. So I created this as a graph, and then all I had to do is I used D as a letter, and I made it point to this. And then I have K. Oh my goodness. T. Then I have K as well, and then I have this one also pointing to K. So now I've created this. It's a very small tree, but I've created it, which means I can also simply just throw in a C, and I can take C and point it to the same thing, and we've just now described this. Yeah? 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 Yeah. Yes. Yes. All trees are acyclic directed graphs. You forgot, it's a DAG. It's a directed acyclic graph, you dummy. But not all directed acyclic graphs are trees. Okay? Yeah, we can do H and L. We can do all of them. We can do H and L. We can do all of these simple ones, which means that I probably want to make something even more complex where I don't have to write out each letter. 5J is the same as JJJJJ. Correct. Absolutely correct. Which means all motions is motions make or delete cut num j num k. Because everything is stateless, this just works. It's all just stateless, so it just all works. How great is that? So now it just means that I have to figure out a nice way to kind of specify all these things. What? I know. Kind of cool, huh? You kind of like what just happened? You kind of like what you just had? You kind of like it, don't you? Don't you, you dirty man. Anyways, so let's just try this out. Let's try out motion tree.lua. Did I just do a... I like kebab case. I feel like I like kebab case better for files, but Rust doesn't let you do that, so I've moved over to underscores. Right? Why? You know... There we go. So I just have the tree. All right. So now that we have the tree, I really wish Golang used snake case. I do. I really wish you could just choose if you wanted to use snake case or camel case. I think you should just let people choose because I become a fan of snake case more than camel case. I no longer do. I used to think camel case much better than snake case. Now I'm snake case much better than camel case. It's mostly pretty trivial stuff we work on relating to web app stuff. Mostly reading and writing from DB. Yes. That's why it's good to make your own projects. Making your own projects allows you to see the tougher times, right? If you don't make your own projects, you're not going to run into this, right? Like the reality is that you just won't. Uh-oh, that's a problem. I just found a bug. Harpoon 2 found a bug. Right? Like, you're not going to run into this. You're not going to run into building a tree. You're probably not. Rarely will you. So that means I should be able to go like this. Tree. I just realized that init should be the ones that are... Let's see. New head. Oh, that's right. I can just send it in a head. That's right. That's right. Local motion equals require vim APM motion motion. There we go. So now I can go like this. Local motion equals new tree. There we go. So now I should be able to go consume date. I should be able to get this, right? I should be able to see this thing. We need this state though. I do need the state. Let's get that state out. I like the idea of having that. Can we agree that that would be nice? I think I like that, but that's going to break a lot of my tests. It's going to break some of my tests, but the problem is I have to have tests at this stage because it's impossible to actually create this program without it. Motions. Do I have... All right. I see what I can do. I see what I can do. I'm going to go like this. State equals done. No consume. Let's see. Hold on. All right. Go. Go, autopilot. There we go. That was pretty slick, huh? Whoopsies. Let's go like this. Vim APM motions dot state. There we go. Perfect. So I should be able to go motion dot, what is it, feed key? I should be able to feed key, and I should be able to get Ooh, what do I return out of feed key? Ooh, I return the characters. Okay, so I should be able to get J. So if I've done this correctly, I'm going to get J. Hold on just 1 second. All right, hey. All right, so if I've done this correct, we do have this. I don't think I need state. I just realized I don't need the state, which is fine, but I'm going to export it anyways. I think it's pretty good. So there we go. So let's test it out. Did I do this? Did I set up the tree correctly that I can execute J and get out the result J as a motion? Right? What if you write JK code and you're messing your key bindings? I'm not sure what you're trying to say there, buddy bear. You're still creating, you're still doing things. All right, so let's go like this. Let's go neovim test this one, motion test. What do we call this thing? Motion tree? Motion tree.lua. Oh, this is one of those things where something has gone wrong. All right, we did have one thing break. Attempted to call motions, vim APM. Ooh, what's this one? This one's in motion spec 39. Ooh, we have ourselves an error? What did I do to get an error? What did I do to get myself an error? Motions 39? Oh, I see what happened. I see what happened. You have to have these things named spec. You have to have them named spec for them to be ran. There we go. Expecting J got nil. Okay, so we got ourselves a potential error here, though I just doubt it. I'm having a hard time believing that. Do you have a fly in the room? No. I don't. Got a null? I got a nil. Music is quiet? Is the music quiet? Sounds like buzzing. Are you calling me a buzzing? Must be the music. You're the music. Shut up, Richard. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let's go like this. Tree dot, what is it called? Test? What is tree? Tree is this thing. I mean, it's, oh man, what a weird place to jump to. Oh, it's just a function. That's right. It's just a function. And so if I feed a J, I would expect, let's just put an empty object here just to see what it returns. It should return done. It got nil. Porque and moría, right? How did I get nil? Am I just bad at, okay, dude, stop going there. What a weird autocomplete there. It should be jumping to this thing. I mean, technically it's jumping to here, which is technically correct as to what it is. It's actually jumping to the function that it is, which is this function. Technically correct, but odd. You know what I mean? All right, let's see, what do we have here? We have make or as delete, cut, numj, numk. I did realize something. I can't do this. I can't do this because my tree cannot be ambiguous. My tree cannot be ambiguous. And I made it ambiguous. You're probably thinking, what the hell does ambiguous mean? They both start off with number, right? They both start off with number, and you can't do that because now you have two different matching paths with number. So I should be able to make an or that looks something like this. That I have to be able to make something that is a number. There we go. Numbered motions would be, right, so I had to go like this. Make number, which will then be motions.make or, right? That'll be simple motions. Okay. Look at this. I'm just discovering my own platform. I built this, and I don't even know what's happening. Make or, J or K, that's simple motions. Local numbered simple motions would be make number with that. So now I should be able to go numbered Rename that with an E. Okay, so now I'm curious as to what's going to happen. Now I don't have a good way to debug this. All this motion leaving me unspoken. You're going to keep on going with this? What do you think about competitive programming? I don't know. I did it for a long time. I thought it was a lot of fun. All right, so let's go like this. J equals J. K equals K. Simple motions equal that. Numbered motions equal that. Delete equals that. Cut equals that. And I shouldn't use simple motions. I should use numbered simple motions. There we go. That's what we should use. But all right, I like that. I like that. I'm going to get rid of this and go motion tree. And let's just make sure I can do this. So hold on, motion tree. I'm going to do that because it shouldn't return nil. It should return an object. There we go. Okay, so that's true. Consume, yes. So there we go. So I should be able to go like this. Motion tree dot state. Is state on there? No. State is not on there. Let's just get rid of that. I called it motions. I really don't like. I should probably call them something else like motion operators or something. I'm not really sure what to call them. That should be done and consume, right? Done and consume. So there we go. We have proven that this part works right here. The J works. The J works. That should also work. It does. That should also work. Awesome. That should also work. Great. I'm sure I can come up with a way to make this so I don't have as much crap. If I go, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I've done that twice now. J. I'm not very good at replacing. I've been trying to get better. There we go. Okay, so all of those work the way I would expect them to, which means that I have numbered simple emotions, number simple emotions, and I should be able to go like this. All right, so this is where things get a little bit odd. I have to go like this. Local next equals numbered simple motions and go 9. Right? And then I can go next. Attempt to call. Ooh. Okay. I think we found ourselves a little bit of an issue here. Why? I know why. I'm stupid. I am stupid. I'm stupid. I should expect done to be done, no consume, and I should expect next to be nil. Right? Because we consumed, no done consume. It's not done, but it consumed it, so we should not move forward. So that means I should then be able to execute numbered simple motions with a K, and I should get that. Right? Ooh, line 20. Consume false, done equals true. Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. That is totally right. It's like I made this before. It's like I should know these things. It's like I should know these things. It should be done, no consume, and then we should be able to call next K, right? And then this should be motions state done and consume. Okay. Hype train time? There's no hype train. What's the hype train time, people? So there we go. All this motion code unbroken. I know. Thank you for all of it, for this. And so key presses per minute isn't interesting. We want Vim actions. I know. That's why we're having motions. That's why we're doing motions. Blimpy. Hey, do I not have alerts on?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Well, I love you too. Hey, big dick energy. You can't stay away from the streams. You just can't. Thank you. Oh, cool. So anyways, you see what's going on here. I love you. Hey, appreciate that. Holy cow. Thank you. Whoa, what has happened here? Have I missed things? Warren Buffering, thank you for that. Appreciate that, Warren Buffering. Splate, thank you for that Twitch Prime. Anonymous, thank you for the gifted sub. Let's go. Twitch Prime subscription. What a nice name for who you are. Thank you for the 6 months. Aram Name, thank you for the tier 1. TTL Now, thank you for that tier 1. Let's go. Man, I've missed some things. Fiery Corgi, thank you for the 20 gifted subs, the 10 gifted subs, the 10. Dude, Fiery Corgi, are you still around?
Welcome
Damn,
to
I understand
Costco.
nothing yet happens.
I love you. Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Thank you,
Welcome to
Pequilio.
Costco.
Appreciate that.
Welcome to Costco. I love you. Welcome to
Is
Costco.
Corgi still around? I like Corgi a lot. Corgi's a good guy. Script 20, thank you for that. I appreciate that, Corgi. Again, thank you. Did you say you was going to do a 0 to LSP 2.0 Vib? Yeah, I'm going to do that. Sure, sure. Clock Holmes, thank you. I like that one. I like that. Rorts, Cat Ear, let's go. Boom, appreciate that. Metamy. We did it, lads. We found John Leetcode. I love watching while I work on my own projects. Nice, let's go. Thank you, Corgi. It has a few more to play through, and then we're all caught up. I just like I like to be able to hear it, you know, because it's hard for me to be able to respond to things if I can't hear it.
Welcome to Costco.
You know what I mean?
I love you.
What's up, Brian?
Welcome
Merry
to
belated
Costco.
Christmas, man. Hope you had a
I
great
love
one.
you.
Friends and family. Yeah, thank you. All right.
Welcome to Costco. I love you. Welcome
I think
to
we're looking
Costco.
pretty good here.
I love you.
I think we're looking pretty good here.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Numbered simple emotions really are really working well. I'm just a little bit confused why all motions aren't working. All motions is an or between all of these. You know what I mean? It's an or between all. Friends and family. So, why not? So let's try this. Motion tree, all motions. Let's give them the D. What do I get back? Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Okay, nice. Consume, false, done, true. Expected. Consume true, done true. That's right. That's right. That's right. It should be done and consume. Nice. That means next. Okay, nice. Okay, so why is that working? Okay, so that's right. Maybe I just forgot how my API works. Maybe I forgot how my API works. I got to find a better way to solve all of this. You know what I mean? I got to find a better way to solve all of this because this is just so much stuff here. You know what I mean? There's just so much stuff here. There has to be a better way to solve this. I don't want to have to do that, but I also I'm always pretty cautious about programming anything with a lot of state in the tests, right? Like you want them as declarative as possible. Oh, cautious, yeah. What's the code doing? Many, many things. All right, so that means I should be able to go next. I should be able to put in a 9, which then I should be able to have done, no consume. All right, hold on. no done consume. I should be able to do that several times. And then I should be able to pass in that and get a done consume. Right? All right, so that is a 29. Why not? Passed in, done, expected. Another thing is I really hate that it's backwards. That's how it should be. It should be like that. We passed in, consume equals false, done equals true. Oh, you're right. You're right. It does do that. It does do that. Because when you do this, done next equals this, it then requires you to play to the next one, right? Which is it's totally fair because I'm unable to consume it, but that means I'm done looking for numbers. All right, so it does seem like we built something that works. It's more that the runner we got to do the simple motions with the runner now. I got to go local motion equals motion.new, and then we can go motions tree. Let's just try motion tree J. Does that make sense? Oh my goodness. So now I should be able to do this, which means I should be able to go feed key JJ, right? Wait, what happened? What went wrong? What went wrong? Motion not found. ¿Por qué? Oh, it's because it's a knit. That's right. Okay, so that does work. Does this work? Okay, so that does work. Okay, so the simple motion does work. What did we do wrong then? Right? What did we do wrong? HashiCorp did this with their API. They offered some stuff in V2, but yeah, oh, this is specific stuff. I've seen systems like that too. Oh, wait, you guys are talking about what is a motion tree? A motion tree is all the possible movements within Vim, right? So I have this huge motion tree, and it's growing, right? And so I'm testing the various sizes of it. So now I pretty much need to do something like this, where I need to have a local motions equal 9, 9, J, right? And I should get back 99J. So I should be able to go like this. For key, feed key, and go local last result equals nil, and then go last result equals this, and expect 99J to equal last result. See, now we get a nil. ¿Por qué? And Maria. Why? Why are we getting a nil? Why are we getting a nil? That's what I don't get. I thought I had all the right tests for this, but I did remember seeing something not working technically correct. Motions. I thought I saw motion spec now. So something might be broken there. Amazon Prime showing ads in Prime Video now. I know. It's great. Thank you for the follow. I just made the account. Well, thank you for that. I think it should be 69JJ. It should be 69JJ. I think that would be more appropriate. And I'm going to take this out. I'm going to come up with I need to come up with a better way to specify these tests because those are just like really verbose and kind of annoying to specify. If you do it programmatically, the problem is it becomes also super annoying. It becomes its own super annoying thing. Do you know what I mean? Like all of these things become annoying in of themselves. A knit spec. There we go. So now this should be everything we need right now, right? So I have this one failing right here. So this is really the problem that we're seeing. Expected a 6, got nil. So I should see this. Now the weird part is when I feed J, I get this. Here, let's actually build up each one. So simple motions. Hold on. Oh, I know what I got. Oh, simple motions. That's not it. How come no one said it was? How come no one said numbered simple emotions? Okay, well that's fine. Okay, maybe that was my bad. Maybe that was my bad. 77. Oh my goodness, do you see this? I didn't even read the code. Copilot screwed me. See, I let Copilot. Damn it, Copilot! I didn't even look at the error. I didn't even look at the error. I didn't even look it out. Copilot. I know, dude. I got Copiloted so hard. Copiloted so hard. Numbered simple emotions. There we go. Right? I should be able to do this. And then I should be able to take this. So I should be able to do this, right? And now by doing that, I should be able to go like this for let list in pairs. All right. Get out of here. Oh no. List in pairs. We're going to go like this. We got last motion, pairs. We're going to apply this, and then we should be able to take this, and we should be able to go like that and go like this. List, table, concat, list, empty. So if I've done that correctly, there we go. There we go. So look at that. So now I'm able to match all of these. And these are simple motions. Look at that. That's actually pretty freaking sweet. This is super sweet. Yeah? 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 It is. You guys are lame. If you post it to Reddit, there's a 10% chance he will watch it. Yeah. All right, so that means I can take this, and I can go like this. I can go like this. All motions test, right? I'll have the same thing. I mean, I guess what I should do is just have one, right? Do I really need simple? No, I should just go like this. All motions test, right? And so I should be able to just go like this. All motions, right? That should just work. It didn't. Why? Porque and Maria. Can we all agree that there's something wrong? Something real wrong there? All motions. See, it should be delete, cut, or numbered emotions. Why not? Why not? Shoot. Shoot. Here's a funny part about Lua. I'm not allowed to do that. That's an error. But if I go like this, that's not an error. Okay, so I believe I can fix this problem. I believe I can fix her. I believe I can fix her by going into the tests and going into the motion spec and going to this OR motion. Wait. Wait, that looks like it's correct. If we consume, we return it. Shouldn't we return it if we don't consume? I'm pretty sure there's a bug here. I'm pretty sure there's a bug here. I think I see the bug, right? Do you see the bug? I think I see the bug. I'm pretty sure I see the bug. So the bug is that, check this out, or motions with number combo, right? So I'm gonna go like this. Local j equals motions dot make key j. All right, so you can see there's only one thing I gotta do here, right? So if I do 1, we're gonna get this. Now this is where we turn it into the kicker. I should get a, do I have state? Do we have state around here? I should get a state done no consume for the res. And I should have a next here. I should have a next. And I think that's what I'm missing. Motions spec. I think this will fail. And it fails because it's, oh shit, we still have this problem. Okay, motion 71. Okay, what the hell is that one? Motion is nil. ¿Por qué, Maria? ¿Por qué? Oh, it's a table value. How is that even passing? It should never be a table value. Okay, there we go. There we go. Expected objects to be the same. Passed in nil, but we got this. Yes. Yes, see? We were expected to get something out of this. I think. What is this one? This is 63? 63. They're saying that we got a nil. Why do we get a nil? We should not get a nil. We should not get a nil. We should get a... Why did we get a nil? Why did we get a nil? ¿Por qué, Maria? It should have been a success. Okay, so there's obviously a bug right here. This is where the bug's at. Will Prime have to dye his hair blue? No, I will not. All right, people. If I'm not mistaken, so that's kind of what we got to figure out. Let's figure out this last part because that's all we need to do is figure out why is this thing returning... Why are you the way you are? Right? And so we got nil.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Hey, thank you. I appreciate that. Let's go.
Welcome to
Let's
Costco.
go. Hey, oh my goodness. Hey, thank you, Cody Things. Thank you for the brand new tier 1, and thank you, Underknowledge, for the brand new Twitch Prime. Appreciate that. After years of watching vids, I finally made it here. Well, thank you. Thank you for that. Let's go. All right, so we have this one. Print. I think I know what's happening. I think these will come back correct, but we will return nothing because of this statement right here. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at it? Consume is false. Would you look at that? Would you effing look at that? Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking, people. Now we're cooking. All right. So now I got to go back to the motion spec, and I got to go to 41. Let's go up here. And what they're saying is that motion A, we create motion A. Motion A should be done and consume true. What do we get here? We created an ambiguous tree. See, we created an ambiguous tree again. You can't do this. You can't do that. See, I made a bad tree. I made a bad tree because number matches A, and so does A. So you can't do that. You can't make an ambiguous tree. I had a discussion about async await with my 3 coworkers, all of them 3 to 5 years. Our conclusion is that we are more or less clueless. Does it mean my knowledge is expanding to higher complexities, or I'm just imposter among developers? No, this is where you need to start figuring out what async await really means. This is your chance now, right? Chroma Master, knowing how to use something versus how something works are very, very different. You can't do that. Called it, dude. Pick. I got F'd. In the A pick. In the A tick. I could make ors take priority. And what I mean by that is that we keep going through all the motions. So if we find a consume, can't move. I really should just never allow an ambiguous tree. Right now, we should just not allow an ambiguous tree in the A of all places. In the A. In the A, people. So this should return this should return done or no done consume. Right? This should return done no consume. Right? And then nil should not then next should be next should be nil. Right? There we go. Okay, we fixed that last one. I mean, that makes sense. I don't really like this test. I'm going to get rid of this test. Did Vim just seg fault? I just got Vim seg faulted. Did you see that? All right, so there we go. We got it. So now, I got seg faulted. Okay, so what went wrong here? What went wrong here is that we passed in a function and we expected nil, which makes perfect sense. We should get nil at this point. Or we should not get nil. We should get a function. I really like this song as well. Coming up here. We're about to hit it. All right, so now what we need to do is do this. Now we need to go like this. Res. And go like this. Now we should have done and consume, res, and next, nil next. We should have that. There we go. Which means we've also happened to fix our other problem. There we go.
This goes out to the premature.
There we go, people. Let's go. Let's go. Let's Gosh, that's so good. Thank you very much, Pineapple Gong, for the 10 gifted subs. That is entirely too kind. That is honestly entirely too kind. Let's go. Which means that we can now do something that's more crazy, right? I can give him the D, right? I can do a D in there. Look at that. That worked. We just did. Look at that. We gave him the D. And it just worked. It knew. That's a valid motion. That's a valid motion. I like it. I'm happy about it. I can do, that's pretty cool. I'm pretty stoked up about this. I'm stoked. I am stoked right now. Look at that. We got all the combinations. Now we're moving quick. So now all I really need to do at this point is go to the motion tree, right? And I should be able to just go in here, and I just have to kind of build up the motion tree, right? Which is pretty cool. I'm pretty happy about that. We're crushing the motions. I'm very happy about this. That means we're actually getting places. Oh my goodness, git push origin v2. All right, people. I don't know if you guys know this, but we're gonna go raid Pirate Software. He's having himself quite the day, and you guys need to go check out what he's doing, okay? So go get him. Go be positive. Go be awesome. He's breaking the Twitch record as we speak. So if you go to twitch.tv, Pirate Software, you will see that he is currently breaking the record. And that's pretty freaking awesome. Yesterday, you guys were super kind, and you guys threw down hundreds of subs, which was incredible. Look at that. Can you guys believe this? Can you guys believe that? In science and tech, he's the first streamer to break that record. And so crazy. Dude, all I know is my stream is wigging out. Things are moving too fast. Apparently my computer can't process this. There you go. He's won. He won. Stream broken. He's won. So guys, have a good one. Show him some love. Congratulations. Is there any merch for the startup? Not yet. But hey, congratulations. What a champion. What a champion.
Welcome to Costco.
Hey, appreciate that, Twitch Prime. So, just want to let you guys know, go show him some love. He's an awesome guy, and the stream just jumped. YouTube, you should go check him out too, okay? Hopefully you guys like the programming section. I can tell you guys don't like the programming section because look at what happens when I start programming. You guys die off. Should I switch? Hey, real talk, since I got you here, should I switch to the Vimogen? When I'm doing that, should I just switch to the Vimogen? Because that's kind of, the Vimogen's kind of like a different channel. I think that's what I should probably do is switch to the Vimogen when I'm doing programming. And I think it will just work better because I don't know if y'all want to be, it's kind of like a different side, you know what I mean? Does that make sense, YouTube? Anyways, you should check out Pirate Software. He is crushing it. I mean, dude, I've never even seen this kind of stuff. I've never even seen this kind of stuff. This is crazy. So good luck, everybody. Hey, appreciate you all. I hope you guys have a good day. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, YouTube. Have you tried programming first? Absolutely. Programming first just ain't it. It's a fairly tried and true strategy. You know, you go watch Asmongold. He does more of the social stuff first, and then more of the deep gamer stuff second. You know, you kind of got to go both. Yeah. Peace.